With water shortages now an annual occurrence, we all must try to save water. But how best to do that? The Department of Industrial Promotion, or DIP, is proposing 5 changes. Kun Panot Season-Sap reports.
Thailand is currently facing a prolonged drought amid lower than expected rainfall in many areas. The water levels in canals is considered very low, and dams have had to discharge water to the point that each is holding only a minimum quantity of water. The government has asked the public and especially private organizations running industries that requires a lot of water during production to cut back on its usage. Hence, the useful tips on how to do so.
The policy of the ministry, we want to reduce water consumption of about 10% that we can do. Yeah, change of material, change of process, change of technology, change of control, and change of product. That is our policy that to try to implement this one to the factory.
We head to a fabric dyeing company in Samut Sakhon province where they have implemented the 5 changes, and they have proven to help reduce water usage by 30 to 40%. Which means successfully reducing water usage by 135 cubic meters a day. A further calculation shows that this will mean a saving of at least 42,000 cubic meters of water annually, which is a benefit of over 500,000 baht a year.
The process I changed the process of bleaching and the process of soaping. Normally in bleaching process we use 4 to 5 times bleaching process, but now we can reduce about 3 to 4 times. That means we reduce 1 time of bleaching process. And if I change the color, the dye stuff, we can dye easier and high fixation. Then the soaping process, we will reduce 2 to 3 times. Totally, I can reduce the water 4 to 5 times.
How is this implementation related to the 5 changes? First, the changing of materials and changes of product. The factory has decided to avoid processing fabrics that requires a lot of water. Then the changing processes with technology and controls. The company saw the importance of error reduction and set about eliminating human error and getting the product right the first time. The company has invested in technology to control all of its dyeing processes, starting with an accurate replication of fabric color using computers, as the desired color can be programmed into the machine, creating accurate color combinations to achieve the desired fabric output every single time. Mr. Thongchai said that these implementations came from the know-how he accumulated along the way and a technical guideline from experienced people and organizations like the Department of Industrial Promotion, or DIP. These implementations have helped Mr. Thongchai's business to reduce its production time and reduce water usage along with water bills, even though the overall cost did not reduce due to investment in advanced technologies. However, the changes make a difference to society and are already well worth the investment. I'm Panot Season-Sap for NBT World.